So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enroll for the Cochrane free lectures. You have received this link in your emails, or you can find the link down in the description box. Once you go to this website, so this is ice.cochrane.org/free-online-course journal peer review. On this page, you can scroll down and see what are the lectures involved and who are going to teach. To enroll, you need to click to register for online course. Click here. Once you click this, it takes you to the Course Plus page, which is the page created by the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, as you can see here. So you can go down and see some important information. Here you need to click on register on this course, and first thing it's going to ask you is in order to register, you must have a JED ID, JED, that is Johns Hopkins ID or Course Plus account. So if you have an account, which I suppose you don't, then you can create a Course Plus account here, which I'll show you how to do. You can go, it's going to ask you about the first name. So I'm just going to type some dummy name, and then I'm going to put in the email ID, right? And then I'm just going to enter these informations here, and you can actually choose your password. I'm going to choose a password which I think is all right. Then just click here, and then it asks you a question: what is the day of the week after Wednesday but before Friday? So the answer is Thursday, right? So I've done this before, so it's popping up on my screen. You just say create my Course Plus account. So here goes. So we have sent an email to this email ID, right? So then you need to actually go into your email ID, which I have opened here. If you see, this is an email here: confirm your Course Plus account, right? So it says please confirm that you want to create a Course Plus account by visiting this link. So you just create this link, and your Course Plus username is fvision, right? So that's what. So it says sign in and enroll via course. Right, so here now you type I have a JED ID, and you say F Vision, right? And you just type your password that you did. If you have actually not looked at your username, which flashed on the screen, you can go and did you forget your you can click this, and then it will show you information in your, it will send you this username on your email again. Just say sign in. Success. So course registration is done, so you can get started with the content of this training, before which it will ask you to fill in a questionnaire, so you can enter some of these. So let me quickly do it and show you. Must a professional degree. And you can actually just enter whatever you think is right. Employed, private practice. Here you can, if you're an ophthalmologist, you put eyes and vision, or you can actually choose your your specialty here. You can just scroll down. You can say I have been a peer reviewer or not, and do you plan to become a peer reviewer? And you can actually take this survey. It's relatively easy. So I'm just going to quickly do these. So I'm just going to arbitrarily sort of answer some of these questions, but then you can actually take your time and fill these up. This takes about 7 or 8 minutes, but then you can actually take your time and fill this up, or you can actually fill it up as a dummy, which, as you see, I'm doing. It's there are some questions which you can actually go on, and they're actually quite good for you to know some of these questions. And again, it's asking a little bit about your other bits of knowledge, so you just enter all of these and say submit, right? And then it says continue to your course content, and here you go. Right now you have actually enrolled for this, so you can go into module 1. I'll just click on that, right? And these are some of the modules. Lecture, you can actually play them, and you can even download these on your laptop and keep them for future reference. So you can straight away play these on your on your browser, and then you can actually
Hello, my name is Kay Dickerson. Welcome to Translating Critical
So we'll just go back. This is how they play on your laptop. And let me show you how to you just click this download, and it'll actually ask you where you want to actually store these, and you just download that. And once the download is done, it'll play on your play. So this is a Mac that's playing on on the Mac, but otherwise it'll play on your players. So you can also download these slides here if you want. So let me show you quickly about module 2. Yeah, again, it's the same thing, right? What is the study question? What is the type of study design? Let's quickly see this a good lecture by Dr. David Friedman, and let's quickly show you how it plays on your browser. So this is how it actually plays. Let me just go move ahead and show you.
To decide whether the type,
something like this, right? You can actually play the whole thing and learn from this.
Which it is often necessary.
So that's pretty much how you can actually enroll for this course. This is, like I said, this is a free course. You can finish this, and you can download all of this material on your laptops and keep it and use it to become a good peer reviewer. Thank you so much.